In today's digital age, computers and laptops have become indispensable tools for most professions, and accounting is no exception. For accountants, these devices offer a wide range of benefits that optimize their work, increase their efficiency, and allow them to provide better service to their clients.
The computer as such in the accounting area help us to do our work from various platforms, such as the SAT. An example of this is that we can save important documents, and this at the same time help us to do certain jobs such as an annual declaration and professional tax payments.
First, you need your e-signature to enter.
Second, your provisional payments made until the month of December.
Third, you need the statement of financial situation to be able to continue filling out the information requested.
Four, you need a K account in case you have a EVAT accredit.